To see how I achieve this loose halo braid updo, keep watching. Hi, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for choosing this video. All right, so today I am doing a very loose halo braid, and this is one of my favorite hairstyles because it's just so simple. I start out by making sure my hair is free of tangles, so I use my comb and just comb through it really well. And you know, I want to say that in my experience with wearing my hair in this style, it looks best when it is less straight, so when it's more kinky and it just looks so thick and full. Please excuse that big flake of dandruff there. I have very dry scalp. My hair is actually very clean. I'm freshly shampooed here, but yeah, it just looks to me so much fuller when it's so much nicer when my hair has a little texture to it. That's what I was trying to say. It looks nicer to me when it has more texture. So I've sectioned off the front part, which is what will make up the halo twist, and just secure that back so that hair stays out of the way. Once again, comb my hair really good, and then I am going to start to put in my halo twist. And like I said, this is so easy. I'm just going to let you sit back and watch and enjoy the video. I use very minimal items for this style: comb, brush, some gel, an elastic band, and a couple of bobby pins. So sit back, take a watch, and let me know what you think.